Hello, good day, viewers. Please let us correct this common mistake in one of the laws of indices, which stated that once you have common bases from left to right of an equation, you're always free to equate the exponents. This is because some people do equate the bases once they have equal exponents, and this is not always true. Let me give you an example each. The first one here, we have 2 raised to the power of x equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. You can see that the bases are the same. So this is where you can apply the law, which stated that the exponents should also be the same. So we can say that x is equal to 2, as simple as that. But in the second case, where the exponents are the same, you are not allowed to equate the bases because you could obtain other solutions. But let us first of all equate the bases and see. Once we take the basis x minus 2 and set it to be equal to 4, you can take this negative 2 to the other side. We have x equal to 4 plus 2 because it is going to transform to positive, right? And x is equal to 6. But I'm telling you that x equal to 6 is not the only solution. Let us plug 6 in here. We have 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. And this is also 16. But what about if you have negative 2 as the value of x? You can see that negative 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 to the power of 2 is also 16. In this case, you are not allowed to equate the bases. Let me show you the right way to do that. You can clearly see that this is a quadratic equation because once you expand this, you are going to get x to the power of 2. So you can either expand this, bring this one inside, simplify and solve the quadratic equation, or you can take this term inside because I can clearly see a difference of 2 squares, and that is what I'm going to apply here. We have x minus 2 raised to the power of 2. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 4 to the power of 2, and this is equal to 0. Difference of 2 squares, you take the first term x minus 2, then you subtract this one, that is minus 4, then you multiply again x minus 2, which is the first term, but this time now you add the second term, which is 4, without the exponents. So you simplify the two factors. This is negative 6 and this is positive 2, right? So we have x minus 6 multiplied by x plus 2. So by setting each factor here to be equal to 0, you can see that x is either equal to positive 6 or x equal to negative 2. You see that we have two solutions. So once you have equal exponents, please do not equate the bases. Sometimes you could obtain a complex solution which maybe according to the condition is not necessary. But if condition is not given to you, please go ahead and solve the equation entirely. But if the bases are the same, you can always equate the exponents. Thank you. Do have a nice day.